To remove the stopper of Smirnoff bottle, first of all, take out the bottle cap. Then insert the knife point into the top of this plastic warp. Then start to cut from top to bottom, but be careful while using knife, but it's better to use gloves to avoid accident. After remove this plastic worm, it's very easy to take out stopper, but more easier, we can use any suitable supportive things to take out. Now we can use pourer, or we can refill the drinks. But after remove the stopper, the cap don't fit into the bottle. So after used it, we can plug the bottle with a cork or other stopper. The tea fits into the bottle.